Yes, my people, back again. My kitchen, White Bones kitchen. Today we are make some stew chicken foot. We have some all-purpose browning as usual. Garlic, onion, pepper. We have some pimento. We have some thyme. Maybe some garlic powder. And I know we have a jerk season. Better pack as usual. So we make some stew chicken foot. We have them wash off already and two cut off and thing. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite Jamaican dish. Okay, so first and foremost we're adding the garlic. Normally some people cut it up like this. Like that. Me no like do it so. I like to smash it and throw it in the pan. Me think me get more flavor by doing that. Cause then, as you can see, you see most of the juice squeeze out. And then the juice, most of the flavor in it. So when you chop it up like that, I think you get like where you're supposed to get out of the garlic. You just get a texture, you now get the flavor. You know what I mean? Alright, so add in the garlic. Onion. Cut them big. Big chunks. Add in the thyme. Add in the pimento, not to mash it up, so I'll just add it in. Pimento. Add in the pepper. So what I like to do is like rub in them seasoning first, then I put it in the powder season. So rub in everything. Add in the garlic powder. Add in the all-purpose. Okay, add in the jerky. Let me know in the comment section if you want to add the portions on screen. I'm gonna rub in this. The aroma smells so good. Then we're adding the browning. The color. Here I make this sit for like 2 hours. Normally, I make it sit for a day, but today we are cooking so. Sit for like 2 hours. Make it marinate. Then we'll put it on pressure 45 minutes. Cause you know what chicken food. Alright, stick and stay. I want you all going. After 45 minutes, this is what it look like. We'll add some Irish potato and get like 15 more minutes. And then you see the final product. The final product. That is it. That is it, my people. Stew chicken foot with some corn and pumpkin.